Easy, affordable, healthy and delicious recipe is what my channel is all about. Hello everyone, today we're making creamy macaroni and cheese with glazed carrots. Our dinner will not be just for kids, but adults will also fall in love too. Let's get it started, shall we? First up, we fill and bring a large pot of water to a boil on high heat. Peel 10 to 12 ounces of carrots. Now typically, instead of weighing them, I just use about 1 medium to large carrot per person. Cut carrots into 1/3 inch thick pieces. Transfer carrots into a microwavable bowl. Add about half tablespoons of kosher salt into the boiling water. Now we cook 1 pound, which is 16 ounces of elbow macaroni pasta. Stop boiling for 10 minutes or according to package instruction. Now back to the carrots. Microwave for 2 minutes. Now we place a large pot over medium-low heat. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Cut 2 more tablespoons of butter for our carrots before putting the rest away. Drop butter into the hot carrot bowl. Add 1/4 cup of brown sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together to coat evenly, then back into the microwave. Cook for 5 minutes. Get the rest ready. Add 2 cups of milk in the melted butter. Cut 1 pound of Velveeta into thin slices, then add into the pot. Now don't get me wrong, I don't consider Velveeta a cheese either. I think of it just as a thickened creamy base for our cheese sauce. Our grilled cheese comes later, so no worry. Stir our sauce occasionally until Velveeta is melted. Our carrots are done. Make sure to have your gloves on. Stir to coat and it's ready. Sprinkle on some parsley flakes for garnishing if desired. Beautiful. Don't forget stirring our sauce occasionally. Pasta is done. Perfect. Quick stir to separate. Look at that, smooth and creamy. Now is our final star, shredded chopped cheddar cheese. We need 2 cups of it. Of course, Sonny. Now we just stir until the cheese is melted. Yummy! And that's how I make creamy mac and cheese with easy glazed carrots for dinner. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to help me out. You have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye!